guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome, and thank you so much for joining me today. Guys, for today's video, we are doing something just a little different for the holiday season. So whether you're visiting somebody for the first time in their new home, whether you're just going for that dinner party, whether you're looking for a gift idea for that kitchen lover in your life, today's video is sure to give you amazing ideas for that perfect gift for that special someone. So guys, come along and let's get started. Right, so first on the list, guys, I am sharing this amazing cast iron skillet from Amazon Basics. And guys, of course, there are way more expensive brands out there, but this is what I have. And I like to think that it is budget friendly in comparison. It is nice and heavy, and it is so versatile that anyone who loves to cook will absolutely love this. And I got this obviously from Amazon for about $50, so you can check that out. And guys, of course, there are a lot of other brands out there too. Alright guys, next up is this Grater set that I have here. It is amazing for anybody who is struggling with space like I am. Guys, it packages nicely into its own containers that are multifunctional, so it is very easy to store. Alright, so all the slicing blades fit into the container and it closes up nicely. Now when you open it up, you have a little measuring compartment, and you're able to attach the slicers into this compartment here so that whatever you're slicing or grating can go into that bowl. And you get different types depending on what you're slicing. I have not used the green one yet, but the graters have definitely seen better days because I use it so often. And I love the fact that it has a little finger or hand guard so that you do not slice your finger when you're using this, because guys, it is quite sharp. And like I mentioned before, because it comes together and you're able to close it all and keep all the compartments within itself, it is perfect for small spaces. And guys, every home needs a good knife set, and this one right here from Mercy Cookware is perfect. I love the accessories that it comes with and multiple knives for everything that you need to have done in the kitchen. And I love how beautiful it is on a counter. It makes a beautiful statement. And it comes with a little knife sharpener as well that I think is perfect. And in terms of knives, I have the Cuisine Art set as well, and I really like it. I use it almost every day, and I like the fact that it comes with the blade shield over them. And guys, I'm missing one here, but you get the point. I have a favor to ask before we keep going. First of all, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away so that you're part of this amazing family. And please be sure to share, comment, like this video, tell your friend to tell your friend about my amazing channel so that we can all grow together. And guys, of course, I had to include an air fryer in this list because, guys, it is the end of the year. And as we enter the new year, if the person that you're visiting or the person you're looking for a gift for has any healthier eating goals on their list, an air fryer is perfect. The one I have here is Silvercrest. I got it from an online vendor at Toki's Home Essentials. I'm going to try and link all the brands that I am talking about today in my description box. Now guys, you do not need to feel intimidated or feel the need to give any big ticket items. If you have a basket like this, you can add small items and make a little gift package for that person that you're visiting or the person that you're looking for a gift for. So for this basket, I started with a kitchen napkin. I put in a small frying pan that I got from Banana Home. It was about 20 or 25 cedis. And I have a mini chopping board from 5th Avenue Home. What I did is a set, actually. It's a set of 3, I believe. So you can gift it to different people. And I have this mini casserole dish as well. That's going in. That's from Orca Décor. I believe it was about 20 cedis as well. So guys, even at this point, you could just arrange it, close it up, and put a bow on it and you'd be good to go. But guys, you know I love my scented candles, so I had to add a scented candle in there. But guys, that would be it. Nice and simple. Of course, toss in another kitchen napkin. You can keep building on this however you would like. And because it has a lid, you can arrange it so that you leave it open and put it in a clear film bag, or you can close it up and stick a ribbon on it with a bow and you have a cute little idea. Or you can use a very basic basket like what I just placed right now. This is from China Mall, I believe, and I think it's about 5 CDs. So, like I did earlier, line it with a kitchen napkin. These napkins are from Malcolm and they sell for a pack of 3, I believe is about 12 CDs, and they have some amazing designs if you have the patience to look through them. And so for this one, for example, I am putting in a measuring cup set. I got this from Target. It's their Room Essentials brand, so it's very inexpensive. I believe it's about $1 or $2. And I am putting in some silicone cupcake liners as well. So guys, again, just like I did with the first basket, you can build it with whatever you'd like and you will have a cute little gift. So I added some kitchen scissors, a cute little pink whisk, a silicone spatula. So guys, just anything really that you would like. And guys, my scented candle is back. And yes, I keep using the same one because it's actually what I am currently burning. And guys, this would even be perfect for if you were going to a housewarming party or anything like that. Next up, guys, a wok. If you know anybody like myself who loves stir fry as much as I do, guys, a wok would be perfect for them. Of course, you can put a bow in here and wrap it up and you'd be good to go. Or you can turn it into a little gift package or even a hamper. You can put your groceries, you can put, like I am doing here, I am just putting a salt shaker and a few spices. The salt shaker is from Banana Home for 10 CDs and the spice jars are from Orca. I believe it is 5 or 6 CDs. I can't remember very well now. So guys, just cute little ideas. Of course, you can even put just spices together. And guys, when all else fails, if you have a kitchen lover who is a candle lover like myself, giving them a nice scented candle is truly enough. So this one right here is quite large. It is from Chesapeake Bay. I get it from Target. And yes, I've burnt that as well. But it is amazing. And guys, I love the lid. It really elevates the whole look. And back to my kitchen napkins. It seems to be the theme for today. Guys, you can use that to even wrap it up. Just bring it together around the candle. And I literally used a little black elastic band just to go around it to secure it. And just make it look nice. If you want a Christmas theme, put a bow on it, put an ornament, anything to make it pretty. And guys, you have a little gift. And guys, last on my list, which I just received as a gift, is a food processor. Guys, if you want to pull out all the stops, this is an amazing gift for that foodie in your life. My aunt got this for me a few weeks ago and I am absolutely in love. I actually opened it up, but I did not take it apart. I was like, you know what? If I'm going to film this, I am going to wait and open it with you guys. And what I love about this is the fact that it comes with a whole blender set, a citrus juicer, and a whole bunch of other attachments for the food processor. So it is so versatile, and having this in the kitchen would be absolutely amazing. And guys, of course, like with everything that I have shared today, there are a ton of brands out there. You just pick what works for you, the person that you're gifting, and your budget. I got so excited as I was taking all of the compartments out, and I cannot wait to put them all to very good use. Alright, my loves, that is it. I hope this video gave you some ideas, some inspiration for this holiday season, and I look forward to spending more time with you this month and in the upcoming year. And guys, thank you so much for coming along with me. Oh, today it's not really a delicious journey, but thanks for coming along with me today on this amazing gift guide. I will see y'all again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.